Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Ayushi and I hope you all are fine. Guys, as you read by the title, today's video gonna be related to skincare routine. If you are into a skincare routine, then you must be knowing about vitamin C. So basically vitamin C gives us a very nice bright skin. So guys, if you are searching a very good skincare range which gives you a very nice bright clear skin, then this video is for you. So make sure to watch it. So without any further ado, let's get started. I am very excited to talk about a new launch today, and I'll be reviewing you a unique skincare range which is Just Herbs. Guys, today I'm gonna be showing you a vitamin C face wash, a clay mask, a serum and also a gel cream. So basically your skincare routine is sorted with this one range. Guys, the one thing which made me buy this product and I was super excited to try it out is that this skincare range consists of amla, and we have seen multiple vitamin C products which are derived from oranges. Just Herb brightening skincare range consists of amla, which is a superfood, and also it is known as Indian gooseberry. So basically amla is 20 times more powerful than oranges, and amla is very beneficial for your hair, body and your skin. And guys, even though amla has so many benefits, we all know that eating amla is kind of a task and getting it in form of skincare products. So what else we need? Guys, first step in our skincare routine is this. So this is Just Have Skincare Vitamin C Amla plus Licorice Root Brightening Face Wash, and you can see this is how the face wash look. This have a very nice simple packaging. The face wash have a very nice yellowish greenish kind of color, and this consists of about 100 ml of the product, and the price is 395 rupees. Guys, their products are vegan, they are cruelty free, and their product doesn't contain any type of sulfate or paraben, and they are herbal. So these are totally safe to use. And now coming up to ingredients. So this contains amla, which gives you a very nice bright skin, and if you have dark spots, pigmentation, discoloration, then this helps to get rid of all that. This also contains neem and also licorice root, and both the ingredients are really good. And if you have pimples or acne, then this will help in that because neem is an antibacterial. And guys, this face wash cleanses your skin really well, and I've seen that my skin feels so good and fresh. And also this doesn't strip off your natural oil, so basically your skin will be cleaned and moisturized at the same time. It is a mildly foaming and non-drying face wash which has amla, licorice root and neem. It almost instantly makes my skin look brighter, and of course neem is known to tackle acne and blemishes. Cleanses your skin really good. So guys, after face wash, now coming up to clay masks. So this is Just Herbs Vitamin C Amla plus Licorice Root Brightening Face Mask. And guys, this face mask is one of my favorite step because I really enjoy using this. This face mask retails for 495 rupees, and you will get about 30 gram of the product. And coming up to ingredients, so this contain amla and licorice root, and this is a brightening face mask. And guys, this face mask have a very nice greenish color, you can see here, and this detoxify your skin, this cleanses your skin really well. And I have oily skin, and my skin feels so good after using this face mask. This remove all the excess oil, dirt, pollution from your skin, and this also cleanses your pores really well. Guys, this face mask is supposed to detan, detoxify your skin, and in this hot and humid weather we all needed this thing because our skin starts to more oil than normal. So we need something that detoxify our skin, gives us a very nice clean skin. This face mask helps to get rid of all the excess oil, dirt, pollution, sebum, and gives you a very nice clean skin. This is a deeply detoxifying clay mask with amla, bentonite and kaolin clay. The double duty face mask deeply detoxify your skin and get rid of all the dirt and grime and make your skin very clean. So guys, after face mask, now this is the time for serum. So this is Just Herbs Vitamin C Amla plus Licorice Root Skin Serum, and this is a brightening serum. And I can't skip this into my skincare routine. I really enjoy using this, and I have seen my skin felt so good after this. And if you are searching for a nice and good vitamin C serum which is very effective, then I highly recommend you to try this one, and I'm sure you're gonna love this so much. And this contains amla, licorice root, and this works so good onto your skin. This deeply penetrates into your skin and gives you the glow from inside. And guys, the price of this serum is 745 rupees, and you will get about 30 ml of the product. And this is how our serum look. It has a very nice greenish yellowish kind of a color, And guys, this serum is very lightweight into your skin, and this won't make your skin feel oily or greasy, which I love about this one. And this is fragrance free, and this is suitable for all skin types. And I really love how this absorbs into my skin really quick. Like, you have to apply it and this will absorb into your skin really quick without even making your skin feel very greasy or oily, which is the best thing. This product is paraben and sulfate free, and these are non-comedogenic and evens your skin texture and get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, dull skin. And this makes our skin really smooth, and also this helps to boost collagen production. Serum have amla licorice root, and this is a beginners friendly, fast absorbing and hydrating serum. And this effectively brightens your skin tone, remove dullness, fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and overall make your skin look and feel super nourished. Guys, after this serum, now moving on to final step of our skincare routine. This is Just Herbs Vitamin C Amla plus Licorice Root Brightening Gel Cream. And guys, this consists of 50 grams of product, and the price of this one is 595 rupees. This is a gel cream. This is very lightweight and non-greasy formula, and this suits all skin types. And guys, I just love the formula of this cream because this seals up all the moisture and nourishment into your skin. And the formula, it is so good. Like, you can see this is the gel formula, and this is super lightweight, and this absorbs into your skin really quickly, and this won't clog your pores and allow your skin to breathe. So guys, you can see like this absorb into your skin really quickly, and this is super lightweight. You can see like this goes into your skin within second. This boosts collagen production, and also this protect our skin from environmental damages, helps to maintain a strong skin barrier. And guys, this cream balances our pH level and helps to lock up all the moisture and nourishment into your skin without even making your skin oily or greasy, which I love about this one. And if you are applying makeup on top of this, your makeup will look very glowy, and overall this creates a barrier between your makeup and skin, and this protects our skin really good. The gel based formula of this cream just directly goes into my skin, and this instantly soothes my skin and keeps my skin fresh and moisturized without giving that heavy greasy feeling. I like to massage this into my skin in upward motion. So all in all, I just love this skincare range because Amla is the superhero of this range, and this gives you a big boost of vitamin C like you need it into your skincare routine. And guys, their products are not only very effective but also they are super affordable, so you can try it out. And also their products are free from sulfate, paraben, and they are vegan. Like, what do else we need? And this suits all skin types, and I would totally recommend you to try it out, this range, at least for once, and you will feel the change into your skincare routine. So guys, that's it for today, and I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I see you all in the next video. Until then, bye guys.